Born in 1452 in the Tuscan hill town of Vinci, Leonardo's early life was unconventional. As the illegitimate son of a notary and a peasant woman, he was raised primarily by his paternal grandfather. His apprenticeship in Florence under the renowned artist Andrea del Verrocchio marked a pivotal turning point. Here, he honed skills in painting, sculpture, and various mechanical arts, quickly surpassing his master. Florence, a vibrant hub of the Renaissance, provided fertile ground for his burgeoning talents. Leonardo absorbed the era's spirit of inquiry and artistic innovation from a young age. Leonardo's artistic genius is perhaps his most celebrated legacy. His iconic works, such as the Mona Lisa, continue to captivate audiences with their enigmatic beauty and technical mastery. The Last Supper, a monumental fresco in Milan, revolutionized religious art with its dramatic composition and profound psychological insight. It remains a cornerstone of art history. He pioneered techniques like sfumato, a subtle blending of colors and tones, creating soft, hazy transitions. This gave his paintings an unprecedented sense of depth and realism. His deep understanding of human anatomy, meticulously studied through dissection, informed every brushstroke. This scientific approach brought unparalleled, lifelike quality to his figures. Beyond the canvas, Leonardo was a relentless scientist and inventor. His notebooks, filled with thousands of pages, reveal an insatiable curiosity about the natural world. He conducted detailed anatomical studies, drawing the human body with astonishing precision. These observations were centuries ahead of their time, influencing medical understanding. His engineering designs included concepts for flying machines, submarines, and even early forms of tanks. These visionary inventions often lacked the technology for their realization. Leonardo meticulously documented his observations on geology, botany, and hydraulics. He saw art and science not as separate disciplines, but as interconnected paths to understanding existence. Leonardo moved between the courts of powerful patrons in Florence, Milan, and Rome. He eventually accepted an invitation from King Francis I of France, spending his final years there. He passed away in Amboise, France in 1519, leaving behind an unparalleled body of work. His influence on art, science, and thought is immeasurable and continues to resonate. Leonardo da Vinci truly embodied the ideal of the Renaissance man. His boundless curiosity, innovative spirit, and profound intellect continue to inspire wonder and study across generations.